Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Snapchat account from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Snapchat account on your Android phone, let's first open up the Snapchat app like this. And after opening your Snapchat app for the first time, it will show you this kind of interface. Now to log into your Snapchat account, you can see the login option available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on login, and either you can use your email over here or your username over here. Currently my username of my Snapchat account is already entered over there, so I'll be using my username. Now let's go for the password, and after verifying I have already inputted the password, and you can see, and after entering your username and your password correctly, tap on login on the bottom side of your screen. And there guys, we have successfully logged into our Snapchat account from our phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.